Hi, I'm Isaac.
I'm Ben.
I'm Cole.
And I'm Tim.
Let's have some fun.
Before we're done,
You'll be in awe.
Of our bandsaw.
Yeah!
Today, we'll be demonstrating how to use the bandsaw.
first, always make sure you wear your safety goggles.
Now, make sure the cutting platform is free of all hazards. Be sure to brush away any loose metal or wood pieces remaining on the platform.
Before making your cut, make sure to measure out your cut line.
What a nice line.
Hi, remember the power switch is located at the base of the bandsaw. Green is for go and red is for stop.
Hi, if you're using wood, you're ready to go. But make sure you always use a push block, or you'll be sorry.
Wow, what a clean cut.
Come on, flap. Yeah.
Oh, didn't see you there. Today we'll be doing something harder, cutting metal. First, when cutting metal, make sure you lubricate it thoroughly. And when I say lubricate, I mean A9 cutting fluid, the solution for all your lube needs. Never use super penetrant.
Alright, that's the end of our safety video.
Make sure to use adult supervision when operating the bandsaw.
If you need help or have any questions, make sure to ask a mentor so you can keep all of these.
I should have asked a mentor.
Hey, nice work.
Hey, nice
Good job.
job, man.
High four.